Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a circle text logo in Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Next, select the ellipse tool from the toolbar. To draw a perfect circle, click and drag while holding down the Shift key. This ensures your circle maintains equal width and height, providing a solid foundation for your logo design. We're aiming for precision from the start. Now, let's add your text. Select the type on a path tool, which is nested under the regular type tool. Simply click directly onto the edge of your circle. You'll see a blinking cursor appear on the path, indicating where your text will begin. Go ahead and type out your logo's name or slogan. The text will automatically follow the curve of the circle, creating that distinctive circular effect. With your text on the path, it's time to refine its appearance. Use the selection tool to grab the small brackets that appear at the beginning and end of your text path. Dragging these allows you to rotate or reposition the text around the circle. You can also adjust the font size, style, and tracking in the character panel to achieve the perfect look for your logo. Experiment to find the ideal balance. To finalize your design, you might want to expand the text. Go to Object, then Expand to convert your text into editable shapes. This allows for more advanced customization. You can then add other graphic elements, adjust colors, or apply effects to truly make your logo unique. Once satisfied, save your masterpiece in a vector format like AI or SVG for scalability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.